Welders NOC 7256 Introductory Video. This sign is seen around anywhere where there's arc welding, and it's basically telling you to do not watch the arc because it will burn your eyes out. Welders join pieces of metal by applying heat using filler metal or fusion parts. Join parts of manufactured built structures. Repair damaged or worn machines. Here's an example here of repairing a machine using the process that will give you the greatest strength and allowing it to get back into service. Great job, welders. Welders require attributes such as good mechanical ability, manual dexterity, good vision, excellent eye-hand coordination, and the ability to concentrate on detailed work. Yeah, especially looking through a mask and those big gloves. Somebody's got to do it. Welders weld using shielded metal arc welding, which is SMAW process. Welds using flux core arc welding, which is FCAW. Metal core arc welding, which is MCAW. And gas metal arc welding, which is GMAW processes. The next one's welds using gas tungsten arc welding, which is a GTAW process. The last one's welds using submerged arc welding, SAW process. So, incredible amount of different processes. And here's a picture showing at least 4 of them. And the idea is they all have their purpose and they all do a different job. Welders perform work outdoors or indoors, and travel is required for jobs in remote locations. Are able to work independently or as part of a team. Are required to have the ability to work efficiently and accurately, to visualize, to reason logically, and to understand metallurgy. Here's some guys working together to understand where the next steps are in regards to this job that has to be welded. Welders deal with hazards including sparks, hazardous fumes, burns, heavy lifting, repetitive stress, and exposure to ultraviolet and infrared radiation. Also work in conditions including working at heights, in confined spaces, in trenches, and in extreme temperatures. And of course, where welding hazards are, there must be appropriate safety measures before you start the work. That's the most important thing. Welders are employed by fabrication shops, steel and platform manufacturers, petrochemical refineries, mechanical contractors, and specialized welding shops. They advance to management positions such as welding supervisor or inspector and project managers. Oh, there you go. We've got a welder putting together some structure. What they can build with those I-beams. Incredible. Welders, note to self, reading text, document use, and writing skills are the most important essential skills for the welder. Here's an example of all three pictorially. We're going to start with welders and reading text. They read work practices involving a great variety of metals, have a strict adherence to procedures, understand specifications to maintain metallurgical and mechanical properties of alloys. This comes from reading books like this one. All of the good stuff has been documented somewhere. Welders document use. Uses checklists to track the progress of projects. Reviews notes found on drawings or welding procedure specifications. Interprets the information found on various documents. Well, here's one right here. It's called the Workplace Health and Safety Bulletin. Oh, and it's got to do with the welders and a guide to the hazards. Very nice to know. Welders' writing skills. They fill in various documents such as invoices, reports, timesheets, and daily logs. Complete accident reports and incident reports. Write safety guidelines to follow work procedures and expectations. Oh, here are some here. Welding procedures. They have to be written up. Hope you have a better idea of welder world now. Any questions can be directed to me, Guy Rochelle, the pre-apprentice facilitator. This media is for educational purposes only. And a visit to our site, stto.ca, will get a better start to the trades. We also have YouTube videos, all where you can find right there. Thank you very much for stopping by. Take care, and I'll see you on the next one.